Okay, shoutout muna kay Junad. Junad. Maya-maya lang. Wait ka lang na konti. Pamaya pang tarot mo. Upisan mo natin yun. Where's upisan yun?
Division 1 tayo. Henry Halves versus Laser Band. Black.
11. Ayoko. Ayoko yan. Ayak. Ayak ba yan?
Two to 9. Pass to number 5 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10 of the Black. Pass to Wayne. Dwayne harassing by number 2 to number 12. Dwayne. Pass to his teammate. Number 99. Pass to number 7 for 3 again. No good. Rebound by his teammate number 11. Cross jab fakes. Basket's good. 2 points. Two to 9. Pass to number Basam inside. Number 12. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Basam out of bounds. Zach Aaron. Number 99. Pass to number 6. Drive inside. Lights up. No good. Rebound by his teammate. No good. Five. Rushing by 99. Oh! What a shot by 11! And that 2 points brought to you by Laser Band Ltd. The surface engineering on the Australia. Number 5, pass to Basam. Rushing by 99. Basam. Pass to number 5. Number 5 takes a long 3. Short. The score is 9-0. In favor of Laser Band. Number 99. Yun eh. Basam. Number 6. Number 6. Spins. Pass to number 12. Number 12 takes a shot. No good. Top to his teammate. A double for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. A double. Pass to Calderon. A double to number 10. The score is 11-0. 10 on the shot clock.
Pre, dito ka Randel.
Number 10. 2-2-0. Pass to number 5. Binalik. Pinasa kay Basam. No good. Rebound his teammate. 2 points. Number 5. 7 on the drive. Basket's good. Number 8. Number 11, Adobo. Adobo pass to number 6. No good. 12 in the rebound. Harassing by number 6. Oh, it's a foul by number 11. Adobo. Adobo talaga, pare. Yan talaga, pare. Aldereta nga sabi kong papasahan eh. Wala ka din eh. Akin na rin. Number 6. Harassing by number 70. Harassing. Number 10. Harassing again by number 7. 2 points by number 7. 78. Pass inside. Number 21. Drives. Nope. 13 on the shot clock. Kala mo kanina pare, papunta doon. Number 78. Pass inside, Douglas. Intercepted by number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Drives. Black. 10 on the shot clock. Foul by number 50. Pushing foul by number 50. Two points. Welcome, Zach, Aaron, and my wife, Mary. 13 on the shot clock. Mami. 2 points yun, para?
Pacquiao.
Now 99, no good. Foul committed by number 21. 2 shot substitution.
Kami lang din naghabol nun. Kuya Marvin eh, pinali kami ng Pilipinas eh. Ba't adobo yung pinalayaw doon? Bakit mo kasi parang yun eh? Kasi pusit daw siya.
Number 12. Oh, nagre-ring. Aray, may sumagot. May sumagot. Kay paring kay paring Mike. Kanina pa hinahanap ni paring Dennis yan. Si paring Dennis ba yung tinawagan ko? Oo nga, eh. Opo. Hindi ba na yung time? No. Bakit nga? Paring Mike. Ayan oh. Nalito yung time natin nalilito paring Dennis. Number 7. Billy, pass to Dwayne. Oh no. Yellow ball.
Pare?
Paring Mike, ang bilis daw ng kamay mo. Oh yeah, picture muna. Nagparingin doon.
Sayo.
5 on the shot clock. 3, 2. Yellow ball. Officials. 14, sorry. Official fault. Sorry, Bas. 14, sorry. Substitution.
Parang tennis kasi. It's full of tennis. It's coming here. Yeah. I know that. Don't talk to me.
Adobo. Pass to 99. Number 10. Swipe the ball by number 21. Fourteen.
Score lang sila. Yeah,
17 on the shot clock. 99 Milo. Pass to Dwayne. Pass to number Dwayne. Pass to 0. 3 seconds violation. 25 remaining time. Two points by 78. Adobo drives, easy basket. Counted. Official score 22-6 in favor of Laser Band. Back to the ball game. This portion is brought to you by Mitsubishi Motors, the motors that you can trust. Dwayne, same ball, 18 on the shot clock. $99 Milo. Pass to Dwayne. Drives. No good. Rebound by Adobo. Rebound in the 12. Adobo inside. Foul. Basam. Number 8.
Adobo yung gagawin. Mas malma ka naman, pre. Ayos na yan. Oy, pasok yun na. Pasok ha.
79. JM. Pass to number 8. Number 5. No good. Laki, no? Lalaki. Harassing. Jump ball. Uy. Yellow ball. Dwayne again. 2 points by Dwayne. $15 on the shot clock. JM. JM. No good.
Dito. 2 points! 2 points!
2 points.
Not running.
5-3. No good. 79. Basam. Foul muna. Number 99. Foul. Black. Substitution. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Number 11 out. Number 17.
Ano magsabi kung sino mag-out? Ayaw yung pumasok. Ano, busa na. No, kaya na. Law yung tira.
Ang tira yan.
May pusta sa kabila yung tira yun ah. Wala na rin daw eh. Kaya tayo pa eh. Lumulubo yung kalabangan eh.
1 point.
Uy, parehas na. Pag wala yung dos.
Good ball, good ball.
Jovel, JM. Dulo, bilayin mo. Ayaw mo sa akin eh.
99. Pinasa kay Dwayne. Dwayne. No good. Foul. Number 5. Take it easy, guys, okay? Take it easy. Time out, yellow team. Black ball, black ball. It's a game plan. Sinabi ko tuloy. 2 points.
Wala, may rap dito. Nawawala ka.
Papi! Balik kay number 79. 79. Binigyan ng screen wide at jump shot. Wala. Kapos. Kapos sa butas. Dwayne. Dwayne is making unbelievable move. Guarded by number 229. Pass to number 0. Number 0 connects. 2 points. Ang galing talaga ng mga headband na yan. Number 21 nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay number 17. May pasa sa gitna. May pick. May pick. Oy, wala. Pinapos yung kaibigan natin. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 na nagtitimo ng bola. Papasa yan. And there's a foul. Number 5 foul. That foul is brought to you by PB Originals and the all sponsorships for Pibao. Reserve. Reserve. Uy. Pulis ka dyan, Tony. Miko on the line. Oh, let's substitute. Leda. Okay, sub. Sub. $79 to number 12 again in the middle. Toto 9, Papi for 3. What a 3 points for number 5. That shoot is brought to you by Elegance Eyewear. Iba talaga may contact lens. Guarded by number 12. Number 11, Adubu. Umatake and there's a foul. Number 5 foul. Papi, you have 3 personal foul of this game.
Ano ba to?
Second quarter. Connects. One bonus through from number 11. Rebound number 12. Pasa kay Papi. Papi ngayon nagdadala ng titimon ng bola. Pasa kay Toribel. Ang matinik na manglalakbay. Number 12. Oy, that's a wrong pass. Hey, Adubo. And the television. Raise the roof from this guy. Mandirigma. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 to number 0. Oy! Hindi nag-connect ang pasa. Sayang. Kailangan natin ng communication. Kung di madala ng cellphone, mag-landline tayo. Ito ngayon, number 2 to 9. Aban. Looking for an opening shots. Looking for an opponent. Tomera. Hindi nagdadalawang isip. Rebound by number 7. Pasa kay number 10. 0. Nagpapalak umatake. Uy, and there's a foul. Foul number 79. Manlalakbay. Penalty situation rep. Ang sabi ng mesa. That foul sending number 0 in the line. All right. All right, rebound, boys, rebound. Basket good. All right. Interruption. Breaker, interruption. Go ahead. 79 guarded by Milo. Oi, and there's a foul. Number 0 foul. Awarded 2 truths. Basket good from number 79. Number 21, ganun pa rin. Uy. Oh, there's a foul. Host foul rep. 21 foul. Black ball, number 21. And end of the first half. All right, ball position is black ball. Lesser band ball. All right, back to the ball game. Nahanap yung bola ko tol. Adobo, wala. Nakuha ni Miko ang bola. Miko na nagtitimon, guarded by number 7. Oy, muntik na. Hindi na kita na referee. Toripil nagtitimon ng bola. Nag-aya ng depensa. Randall, uy, what a bad pass. Dwayne. And there's a foul. Foul number 78. Basket good from number 7. Toripel. Nagbabalak pumasok, binabantayan ng malaki. Randall, the Mighty Mouse, and there's a foul. Number 10 foul. One a black. Hindi tayo makatulog nun. Toripel. Pasa kay Randel. Tumira. And that's a foul. No, it's all right. It's all right. Ano, discussion lang yan eh. Number 6 foul. 3 shots. 3 points. Basket good. All right, number 6 now, Mr. Dwayne. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Toripel, manlalakbay! Seconds violation. Bawal mangitlog dyan. Binigyan ng screen. Nagbabalak pumasok. Sinasayo ang bola. Miko. Pobesam. Hinahanap. Toripel for 3. Wala. All right. And 1. And foul number 10. Basket good. For 3. That is contributed from number 7. Randall, the Mighty Mouse. Miko. Wala. Rebound number 7. Ba talaga mga matatangkad. Pasa kay Dwayne. 8 violation. 8 seconds violation. Bawal mangitlog dyan. May nagbabantay. Miko, pasa kay Randall. Guarded by number 6. Number 79 for 3. Masa, number 0. Pasa kay Dwayne. Rebound, number 6. Pasa kay Randall. Binantayan ni Adobo. Papasok si Caldereta. What a move! And 1. Substitution, rep. Substitution. May tawag na substitution po sa loob. 3 personal foul. Tatanong ka pa eh. Basket good from number 50 in the free throw line. Miko guarded by number 6. Dalawang mga mandirigma. Binigyan ng screen ni Adobo. Pumasok si Bagoong. Oy! And there's a foul. Number 79 foul. Foul si Caldereta. 3.
Ilan pa na yan eh?
Number 79, you have 3 personal foul. Wala. Matangkad kasi. Basket good from number 11, Mr. Adobo. All right. Adobo. And the finishing is in the finishing line. 2 points from number 11. Ito na yung number 7. The Mighty Mouse. Pasa kay number 79. Guarded by number 11. Pumasok. Ay may block. Oy, nakuha ni Mighty Mouse. Pasa kay number 79, guarded by number 6. Sinasayaw ang bola. Gumagawa ng mga scientific method. Ito naman pasa kay number 50. Nagbabalikan lang ang bola. Atake! What a move from number 79! Iba talaga. Mga scientist na mga player. Mga scientist. Ito. Si Dr. J. And there's a foul. Number 6, substitution rep. Lalabas si Manny, papasok si Papi. Masa for 3, wala. Sino? Si ano yan? Si pangalan. Abang Papi Gonzales. Gonzales yan, Gonzales yata yan. Oo. Oh, Pedro yan, pero sa pangalan yun. Gonzales yan, Gonzales ba yan? Oy, N1! Contributed from number 6. Substitution rep. Papasok si Kin. Lalabas si Rock. Papasok si 21. Ito yung ano, itong mga sila.
Itong negro, ito sila ano tang kamatch nito yung similar rin.
Ah.
Pilipino din pero malalaki din.
Basket good from number 6. Ganda ng pata ni Papi sa ilalim mo. May fade away pop. Uy! Ba talaga mga kamay. Mga kamay ng number 21. 20 yung kamay niyan. 20 yung mga daliri na yan. Melo, number 99. Binigyan ng screen. Uy! Ang ganda ng ikot. Ayun o. Pinasa sa labas. And 3 seconds violation. Bawal mangitlog dyan. Alright, Papi now nagdadala ng bola. Looking for his companion, guarded by number 99. Pinasa kay Quinn. Quinn. Balik kay Papi. Pasa kay Quinn. Ah, what a move. And there's a black. What some fortunate move. Number 0, umatake. Uy, and there's a foul. Dalawang lumilipad. Number 5. Number 5, you have 4 personal foul. Number 5, Papi, warning for disqualification. Natural na yung mga banat. Pasok. Shoot na shoot. Para sa mga masa. Wala. Same ball. Hoy, mali pala. Pasa kay Miko. Miko, hindi nagdadalawang isip. Black ball. Time is getting low. We're almost in, boys. Of the third quarter. 3 seconds. 1 second. Not counted. Black ball. Last touch.
Tali boy. Bawal mangitlog dyan.
Oy! The big man is on the move. Number 229, pasakay 79, pasakay 21. Nagbabalak pa lang. Mr. Quinn, pasakay na wala. Uy! Nahiya ang bola, iniwan sila. Sorry, Bill. Uy, huli. Another in motion. Bang! Wala ba tayong ano dyan? Wala ba tayong slow mo? Isa lang. Mr. Quinn, may bali. Pasa pala. Uy, sayang. Alright. Dwayne Wade, nagdadala ng bola, pasa kay Miko. Ay, anticipated by Mr. Raban. Pasa kay Papi. Malaki. Boarding. Kung natumama sa tamang spot sa boarding, pasok yun. Okay. Last touch. Number 10. Bola po ng yellow. Bola! Lakasan ng konti para abot. Melo. Ford Wayne. Noon pa rin. Oy! Islam na naman! Buti na lang. Sumikip ang butas ito. Mag-i-Islam to. Oy, wala. Two points from number 79. Sino bang sunod ng Ginton? Oy, iba talaga, advantage talaga, malaki. Substitution. Substitution, rep, substitution. Sunod is, Cuesta, Titing, Tiling, Studio 26. Dinis ang figure. And there's a foul. Division 3. .45 mag-run. Sub. Sunod na pala kami nito. Hindi na pa, isa pa. Substitution rate. Hindi pa. 5:45 pa kami. Ano ba ito? Cuesta, Kylie? Hindi na reservan na. May isa pa isa. Sunod kami. Ayaw mo na. Mas maganda malaman yun. Ha? Division ba? Katayo kong team. All right, that's from number 8. Yellow ball. And there's a foul. Substitution rate. Sub. Basket good. Ito si Danilo yung referee natin. Huli na pala itong basket good. Two points from number 99. Torrebel, guarded by number 6. And there's a foul. Number 2. Substitution rep. Substitution. Host foul rep, host foul. Host foul. Number 6 foul. Number 10 foul. Pasok. Pasok. Poppy on air. 2 points from Poppy. Rebound number 8. Substitution rep, substitution. Adobo. Traveling. traveling. And there's a foul. 0 foul. Warning for penalty. Laser band. All right, basket good. Randall, number 78, the Mighty Mouse, guarded by number 99. Ay, nanhan pa, number 7. Sayang, sumobra pa. Number 0. What a nice pass. Connects 2 points from number 7. Number 229, Mr. Evan. Pasa kay Wahab. Balik kay Evan. Wala. Wala pa rin. What's happening? And there's a foul. Number 11. Ooh, penalty situation. Kaya ba marami score? Pasok! For 3. Si Belly the boy. Si Belly. Dapat si Dennis. Our best player, calling Mr. Paging Mr. Dennis Cinco. Our best player for this game. Best player number 7.